Hi guys, welcome to Nigerian Live TV. There is a video that I just stumbled upon on social media. It's the video. I want you guys to watch it. As I always say on this channel, that the truth is revealing. So it's been a long time that we have been told different lies. In fact, it's trending on different social media platforms, whereby even some pastors are coming out to tell their members to equip themselves, spiritually, and when I say spiritually, not the one they know about. They are referring their followers now to go back to the ancestral path, and they are telling them to equip themselves spiritually. In fact, there is a common Yoruba saying now that they are saying dirai. Dirai means fortify yourself. In fact, I will be playing the video for you guys to watch. This I just stumbled. I think I've never seen this pastor before. This video is the first video I'll be watching from him. So I want you guys to watch it. And the video is in Yoruba. I think I will try my best to translate for you. In fact, the truth is revealing gradually, and I'm happy that Isheshe is coming back. Isheshe is coming back. I want you guys to listen for yourself. Let's check it out.
What did you do? You already know you are in a land infested with guns. What precautions have you taken? Don't you know we are infested with guns? We are in a gun pandemic. Don't you know? Don't you know they shoot at will every time? Don't you read the stories about what did you do? What have you done to protect yourself? Look at the army. They know they are gone. They want to go to the war front. They will wear their bulletproof vests. They will wear their vests. They will wear all their armored vests. Everything is filled up with iron. If they shoot them, it will not enter. Because they know they are going to a war zone. For you, you know you are protect. What have you done to protect yourself? If you are hit by stray bullets, if you do it and it does not work, that's it. But you do not do it. You are not saying God will protect you. I will tell you that they will kill people in the house of God, in the presence of God, in the presence of Jesus. Nothing will happen. Just stay there. Don't take care of yourself. When you take care of yourself, that is when God will take care of you. The Bible says ask. Why did he ask you? You should not have asked. Because God knows what to do. But if you don't ask, you will not be given. Ask for protection. Take care of yourself. God knows that you have taken care of yourself. You've done your best. Nothing bad will happen to you. Nothing bad will happen to you. It is not a sin to protect and take care of yourself. For a man like you to kill your child, your wife. Just like that. And they will tell you to repent. You will be crying. And they will go. Free. Why not just die? What's the essence of you being alive? Why are you a coward? I'm not saying you should be bold or necessary. I'm not saying you should be audacious. Places to go and fight. But when you get pushed to the wall, you must be able to retaliate. Ẹ tọ́jú agbègbè yín.
Take care of your surroundings.
Ẹ tọ́jú ilé yín.
Take care of your home.
Tẹ́ bá mọ tẹ́lẹ̀ gbé wúlẹ̀ nílé táwọn ẹni bí òní wọlé. Ẹ lọ gbé wúlẹ̀. Ẹ má tẹ̀lé àwọn bàbá pásítọ̀ wọ̀nyí o. Àwọn fake pastor. All of you are too fake. You are a fake pastor. You are a thief. You protect yourself and you don't allow your member to protect their own self. Why? Àwọn pastor mi wọ́n ti dira, wọ́n ti jẹun yó, wọ́n ti ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀. Fi gbogbo àwọn àgùntàn wọn sílẹ̀.
The pastors have been protected. They are well grounded. They will leave all their members.
Bàbá lówó sóti aka tó máa kú dànù.
If we don't have money, are we supposed to be dying like chickens?
So guys, I think you have watched the video and you have heard it all for yourself. You know, for some of you who still feel that that Isheshe is nothing to be associated with, you have heard it all. We have heard it from the horse's mouth, and it shows that the truth shall always prevail. You know, so in Yoruba mi lókùnrin lóbìnrin, ẹ̀yin brothers mi ẹ ti gbọ́. So ẹ lọ dira yín o. Ẹ má yẹ kí ẹ̀sìn àjòjì kó gba àwọn nǹkan tí Olódùmarè fún wa ká máa fi ṣọ́ ara wa. Ẹ má yẹ kí ẹ̀sìn gbà lọ́wọ́ yín. You know, kókó nǹkan tí pastor yìí tó ń sọ nìyẹn pé ẹ dira yín o. You know, pé ìlú ìbọn lẹ́wà ò kẹ́ dira yín. You know, pé at least kí gbogbo yín kẹ́ jáde sọ ara yín ìtumọ̀ ẹ̀ nìyẹn. So let not those pastors that are telling you not to fortify yourself, let them not deceive you. Àwọn náà mọ bó ṣe ń dọ́gbọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ ara wọn. You know, ẹ̀dẹ̀ ti gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀, àwọn náà mọ bó ṣe ń dọ́gbọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ ara wọn. So ẹ̀yin náà ẹ dọ́gbọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ ara yín. Ẹ má yẹ kí anybody kó fi búrẹ́dì kó yín lọ́bẹ̀ jẹ ṣe get. You know, tá bá sọ pé ìṣẹ̀ṣe làgbà ìtumọ̀ ẹ̀ ni pé this is our own, this is how we do our thing. You know, you should go back to your ancestral path. You know, this is the only way for you guys to find solutions to your problems, you know, your spiritual problems. You know, as I always say on this channel that you know, you see some people going to their various religious centers, praying, fasting and praying for years, for months, you know, and their problems are not yet solved, you know, but the few ones that are wise, you know, will go to a babalawo and get their problem solved. You know, as you can see, Isheshe Lagba, and you have heard it from the horse's mouth. Thank you very much, guys. If you are new to this channel, click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe. This is where I talk about African culture, traditions, and religion. You know, I'm a Yoruba man, so I speak more about Ifa religion, Isheshe, you know, in general. Thank you guys. See you next time. Get a better life.